morning, everyone. In English class, today I am going to start new chapter, Funny Bunny. And this is story of a rabbit and his friends. And already in previous class, we have learned about different animals in the lesson Zoo Manners. So let's see and enjoy the story, Funny Bunny. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. So, children, see, this is a rabbit. He is sitting under a tree, and his name is Funny Bunny. So, what's happened? One nut fell on Funny Bunny, and what he thought? He thought the sky is going to fall. So, what he said? Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. उसने सोचा कि ओ लग रहा आसमान गिर रहा है, तो मुझे ये बात किंग को बतानी चाहिए. और फॉरेस्ट का किंग कौन होता है? यस, टेल मी. लॉयन. लॉयन इज द किंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. सो ही वांटेड टू टेल द किंग. ऑन द वे ही मेट हैनी पेनी. जब वो जा रहा था रास्ते में, ऑन द वे ही मेट हैनी पेनी. नाउ सी हु इज हैनी पेनी. ये देखिए बेटा, she is Henny Penny. So the rabbit was saying, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Henny Penny. जब रैबिट ने बोला कि the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. So Henny Penny said, I will come too. मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ आ रही हूँ. And all they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. फिर वो किससे मिले? Cocky Locky से. अब देखिए बेटा, Cocky Locky कौन है? See, in this picture, Cocky Locky. This is a cock. So, the Funny Bunny said, the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. तो कॉक ने क्या बोला? I'll come too, said Cocky Locky. Cocky Locky बोला, I will come too. मैं भी आ रहा हूँ आपके साथ. And off they went to find the king. On the way they met Lucky Ducky. फिर रास्ते में उनको कौन मिला? Lucky Ducky. फिर वो Lucky Ducky से बोलने लगा, the sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. So, Lucky Ducky, what she said? I'll come too. वो भी बोली, मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ आ रहा हूँ. मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ आ रही हूँ. फिर वो सब साथ में हो गए. And off they went to find the king. फिर सब लोग राजा के पास जाने लगे. On the way, they met Pussy Goosey. फिर रास्ते में उनको कौन मिला? Pussy Goosey. Pussy Goosey, goose, है ना? Bird just like duck, but larger in size than duck. Okay? So they met Pussy Goosey, and the rabbit said, the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. So Pussy Goosey said, I'll come too. So I'll come too, said Pussy Goosey. And all they went to find the king. On the way, they met Voxy Foxy. फिर उनको रास्ते में कौन मिला? Voxy Foxy. Okay? Voxy Foxy कौन था? Fox. ये, see. This is a fox. Foxy Voxy. The sky is going to fall. They all said, we are going to tell the king. सबने एक साथ वो फॉक्स से बोला, the sky is going to fall and we are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Voxy Foxy. Voxy Foxy ने क्या बोला? Fox is very clever. And when he saw so many animals are there, and she wanted to eat them. So what she said? The king lives here. Follow me. और सब उसके पीछे पीछे चले गए. But and that was end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey. सबको वो कौन फॉक्स खा गई. फॉक्स एट ऑल ऑफ देम. सबको खा लिया. सबका फिर एंड हो गया है ना बेटा. सो दिस इज अ स्टोरी. प्लीज रीड इट एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. नाउ सी न्यू वर्ड्स. Nut. N-U-T, nut. Its meaning a fruit with a hard shell. Ouch. Used to express pain. जब आपको चोट लगती है कोई ना तो एकदम से आपको जो साउंड निकलती है ना, ouch. That is ouch. Met. M-E-T, met means to see someone after a certain period of time. These are the meaning of these words. Now see some more words here. I am or I will. These are the short form of I am and I will. I'll, short form of I will. Okay. Now next, off. To move away. Its meaning is to move away. So these are the new words. Learn it and learn its meaning also. Now children, see, fill in the blanks. Here fill in the blanks. Words are given in the bracket. Choose the right word and you have to fill it. Already it is done. One day dash under the sky. So we have to find the correct one, a nut. And we will write here a nut. The answer is a nut. Next, Funny Bunny wanted to tell dash the king, the cock, the sky what he saw. वो किससे कहना चाहता था? So the king. The correct answer is the king. So we have to write here the king. So do it in your notebook. These are the fill in the blanks. Now children, see, some more exercises are there. Circle the odd one out. Here are some words. You have to circle the odd one out. Now in first line, bun, sun, fun, gun, one. These all words have U sound, U letter, and one. This is odd one out. So we have to encircle it. Now next one. Bad, fad, led, sad, red. E, 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 E. E sound, but in sad, AI. AI की sound है sad. So odd one out में हम किसको circle करेंगे? Sad को. Now next one. He, me, be, T, V. E, 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 E. But in T there is EA. So the odd one out is T. So we will encircle the T. Next, we, say, hey, pay, they. All words, these are having a letter and they में क्या है? E का letter है. So we will encircle the they. They is odd one out. So we will encircle here they. In this way, you can encircle these odd one out. Now next, Find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. So children, see, fat. So opposite of fat is thin. So we will write here thin. And we can make sentences. That boy is very thin. That girl is very thin. Like this. Fall. Fall का opposite rise. R-I-S-E, rise. You can make the sentence. The sun rises in the east. Like this. Next one, start. Opposite is end. So you can make sentence like this. This is the end of this road. Come. Come. Opposite is go. You can make sentence. You can go now. You can go to the market. You can go now at your home. Like this, you can make any sentence. Next word is big. Opposite is small. Opposite of big is small. You can make any sentence. This stick is very small. There are many small balls in this box. Like this. Okay. Now see, you can do like this and write opposites and make sentences. So learn it and do it. So children, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. अपना ध्यान रखिएगा. ओके बेटा, बाय बाय.